Why everybody wanted to buy this Bluetooth speaker? Like to know? What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. Where today we are looking into A4 Tsunami, a 50 watt portable wireless Bluetooth speaker by Neocore Wave team. Come with a 50 watt of output and a maximum can go up to 60 watts. Very loud deep bass with 4 line drivers and 2 bass radiators. And honestly speaking, Wave A4 portable speaker is an alternative to industry leaders expensive big size wireless speakers. You can compare it with the JBL Extreme or Sony speakers if you want to. You will not get disappointment at all. Also come with the equalizers mode, like an extra bass for indoor and more treble for outdoors. While battery life is not that bad at all, you can get up to 13 hours of play out of this one charge. Come with waterproof IPX6 rating. I have tested it out as well. Also equipped with a micro SD card slot, so you can play it like an MP3 player. Option of built-in power bank help me to play music and charge my mobile phone at the same time. Now in terms of connectivity, speaker come with a Bluetooth fast stable connection with a range of 20 meters and it will be above 66 feet. And an auxiliary port if you would like to connect non-Bluetooth supporting devices. Within the packaging, speaker come with one user manual, one USB-C type charging cable, one 3.5mm auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, and a detachable shoulder strip. Fantastic idea. Once it's taken out of the speaker, you can use it indoor no problem. Once you put on it, you can keep it outdoor on your shoulder and enjoy it. Speaker is built with a durable fabric and rigid material. Will definitely last you for years. With a sturdy body cover. Speaker built with a sturdy body cover with resilient and shockproof rubber. All the buttons to control the speaker are available on the top. Starting with the power on and off button, multifunctional volume decrease and navigate to previous song, play and pause, attend the call, and selection of equalizer mode button, ending with multifunctional volume increase and navigate to next song. Now this is very strange to see in a Bluetooth speaker. I have not seen it before, that all the ports are available under the base, where you have access to USB output for charging your mobile phone, micro SD card slot where you have access for USB output port, micro SD card slot, reset pin, and USB-C type to charge the Bluetooth speaker, ending with the auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices. Speaker also got the audible notification when it is powered up, which is kind of a smoothing sound, but I was expecting a punchy bass out of it. That would have been great. You also get the notification when volume is reached to the maximum level. Now speaker also supports voice assistant, which can be activated by play button here, press and hold, and there we go. On your mobile phone you can launch any one of them, Google, Alexa, or your voice recording feature if you want to. And if you are on Apple, you can launch Siri too. Well, let's crack on with the performance test, where first we will be playing a royalty-free music from YouTube to show you its performance and how loud and bassy the speaker is. Now while playing music from SD card, you can also navigate using all the multifunctional buttons, same as mobile phone feature. I usually get a lot of questions from my subscribers and viewers that can we use the Bluetooth speaker while it's charging or not. Speaker is on charge, let's play music. Well, answer to that is yes, you can. Well, I suppose I have shown you each and everything you wanted to know about this Bluetooth speaker, including its performance using the Bluetooth connectivity, micro SD card, did not submerged into full water because it comes with IPX6 rated, which is only splash proof, good enough to be honest with you for this size of a speaker and the price you are paying for that. Now if I look into the sound quality performance of a speaker, it's fantastic, outclassed to be honest with you guys. Bass is just perfect, so as the vocals too. Now within the video review you have seen me playing royalty free music, but that's not it. I have been using this Bluetooth speaker and playing normal songs actually on it, no problem whatsoever. I can hear bass and vocals clearly, and the outclass option is the equalizer. Now there are things which I don't like about this Neocore, like to mention to them very straight away and clearly. I really don't understand why manufacturer put this thing down under the bass actually. It should have been on the side or something, would have been easy to access, so you can use it actually. You can use your mobile phone charger or charge your Bluetooth speaker while it's playing, or auxiliary port if you want to, without any problems. Now another feature which I wasn't been able to try within the video because I had to have two of these Bluetooth speakers with me. Yes guys, you can do true wireless stereo as well. Now if manufacturer is listening guys, why don't you send me one so I can show people that how it works and how good it is. But speaker at its own also supports the stereo sound quality and is loud enough for the house or a party outdoors. Now let's end this video here. But if you still have any more reservation or would like to know more about this Bluetooth speaker, please let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you're interested in purchasing, link for that is available in the video description too. Keep checking guys, you might going to see the discount code as well. So that will be all guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.